Question 18 is the histogram question. Weights of fish. We've got the weights across the bottom. The number of fish with a weight between 400 and 450 is 7 more than the number of fish with a weight between 250 and 300. Well, we know frequency density is frequency divided by class width. Well, we've got a frequency of 7 and a class width of 50. They're both the same, which gives us 0.14. So from there, I already marked it on, to there, 3.5 squares, the frequency density has gone up by 0.14. So if we do 0.14 divided by 3.5, it will tell us how much each one of those little squares is worth on the y-axis, which is 0.04. So then we can actually put that scale 0.04 on here, which is going to make our life easier when we're starting to work out the total number of fish. So going up 0.4 each time, which gives us that. And you can see that has now gone up from 0.16 to 0.3, so 0.14. So the total, we basically just need to work out the area of each of these bars. So it's 50 class width times by 0.2, which is 10. Next one, 50 times by 0.16, which is 8. We just keep on working our way along. Next bar is a bit wider, twice as wide in fact. Gives us 15. Then we've got the 150 times 0.1. And then we've got a large one at the end, which is 400 times 0.02, which is 8. We then add all those together, 68, which is the number of fish that we require. Now, over the page we need to use the histogram to find an estimate for the median weight. Okay, well, the median weight is going to be the weight in the middle. Now, we've got them in order, and we know we've got 68, so actually we are looking for the 34th fish. Some people add 1, so it'll be the 34th, so it's actually between 34 and 35. But let's have a look. They're in order, so we've got 10 plus 8 plus 12, so that's 30 there, coming up from this way, so it's going to be in this group here, which is the 400 to the 450 group, but it's actually only going to be 4 fish into that 15. So if we do 4 over 15, because that's how far into there we are, I could have 4.5 if we're going to be that accurate, and because it's 50 wide, we end up with 4/15 times 50, which is 13 1/3. But obviously we need to add that on to 400, so our median is 413 1/3 if we're going to be really precise about it. So we've worked out where it is. Median is in this group. The group's 15 wide. It's going to be the 4th fish into this group, hence 4 over 15 times 50. So it's 13 into here. The weight is 13 into here, added onto the 400. Right. Give a reason why your answer to part BI is only an estimate. Well, it's group data. We lost some information when we actually grouped the data. It's only good as the information, how the information is stored.